Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some super cute Christmas ornaments using the FaLaLa transfer. So I'm going to cut the pieces I'm wanting to use from this transfer, and we're going to start with these little mittens, the rabbit, this decorative piece, and the moose. So I'm going to get my little chalkboard ornaments that I found, put this little transfer on there. I'm using a mini squeegee with some white chalk paste and just covering up the silkscreen areas. It's going to go right through that, and voila! Isn't that cool? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I'm going to do the rabbit now. It is so easy, you guys. You smear on paste. Even kids can do this. Any skill level, any age, I promise you can do this. You just smear it on, peel the transfer back, and it is that easy. If you mess up, the good part is it's chalk paste. So you just take a wet wipe or water on a paper towel and wipe it off and start over again. No big deal. Even after the holiday season, say you wanted to change up the ornaments, you can. It's paste. It can be removed, yet it's smudge proof. So super cool. If you make any mistakes, have a little Q-tip handy and you can just touch it up. Let me show you the finished look. And here they are on the tree. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.